This video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the YouTube Create app and also how to download this. So you can see this is the app here on Google Play Store. You can find it on App Store as well. So the app is not accessible to every country. So what you're going to do is you turn on your VPN. You can see I have a Windscribe VPN. Good, let me show you guys. So you just connect your VPN to this country, London, any best location, and then you hop on Play Store. If you have a different email, just log in that email so that the location can take effect to it. Yes, and what you're going to do is you just search for YouTube Create and you're good to go. You search for that and you download it. Once you get to download it, you don't need to turn on your VPN. It's going to work perfectly, and you can see it here, YouTube Create. So now I'm going to open it and then start with the review on the app. So now let's open it. So you can see I once opened this app before, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, very simple. You can use it to edit your videos and your shots. So you can create shots with AI, just like you can see there. You tap on that and you're good to go. So now let's talk about the interface. There are templates here you can use, just like on TikTok. So you tap on use template, you upload your images on your preferred choice. And here too, when you tap on that, you can upload an image from your gallery. That's up to you. So you can see the pictures are going to appear and then the videos are going to appear. You can choose to tap on the generate and give it a prompt, creating a video, create a shot on maybe Ronaldo, blah blah blah. It's going to use Gemini, I'm sure. That's their AI. A walking tea seller. Yeah, you tap on generate and you generate the video. And yeah, that's it when you're creating a video. Now let's come down. And now to the project. When you're done with every project, you can see I edited this video here. So that's it for the project. And to edit a video, let's open this video and then use it for editing. Good. So it's just like CapCut and other interfaces. It's not anything difficult. So now let me show you guys. So the overlay is if you want to add an image to it. So let's try to add an image or video on it. So the overlay is going to help you add an image to your video you are trying to edit in, or a video. You can add a text to as well by tapping on the text, plain text or text as is up to you. And the sticker too, you can add couple stickers on the video. Generate a video, you can just do that and generate another video on the video you're trying to edit. And sound, you can choose to turn off the sound and the rest. And you can even get music. If you have music saved on your YouTube music, it's going to appear here. It's very simple, nothing difficult to use. Canvas and all that, and you can change the aspect ratio if you want it to be a short, if you want it to be a square, like a long video. Yeah, a normal video is up to you. Very simple. And if you are trying to edit something, you tap on the video itself and you drag, you get it. If you want to cut a side, you see the scissors there, you tap on the cut to cut it. And now I have this section, I can tap on the delete to delete it. Very simple on how to use the YouTube Create app. To save it, you tap on the three dots at the top left corner of your screen, the top right corner of your screen. You can see three dots there. You can change the aspect ratio and all that, and you're done. So to download it, you see the arrow there, tap on that. Good. And now you change the file format. So it's on 30 fps. You can change it to 60. The file format is a video, and the quality is, you can save it to 4K, 2K, but then the 1080 is okay. You tap on export to export it and you're good to go. Let me cancel that because I don't need it. That's it on how to use the YouTube Create app. It's very simple, nothing complicated. So I recommend you first start creating. If you are going to create with an AI, you just tap on create the shot, give it a prompt, and then you're good to go. After that, you start to edit the video with the editor I showed you guys. Or you can choose a template, add your couple images. It's up to you. That one is for TikTok style, but for YouTube, you definitely have to give it a prompt, create a shot, and then you're good to go. Tap on the plus button if you want to add a video yourself. And these are some of the templates they have on here. You can use any of them. If this is for food or fitness or anything of your choice, you can use any of them. But to upload your own video, tap on the plus button like on Instagram, TikTok, and the rest. Tap on that. Select from your gallery a video or an image and you're good to go. So that's it. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.